How to log into American Express bank account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into American Express bank account. For this, open up any web browser and search for American Express. Now, you want to tap on this website, which is americanexpress.com. Here, you want to tap on the login option at the top right corner of your screen. It will bring you to this login portal. Here, you want to enter your user ID. Once you have entered that, on the next box, go ahead and enter your password. Now, you want to select your account type. Tap on this drop down and select your preferred account type. Once that is done, if you want your details to be remembered, check the box that says Remember Me. Now tap on the Login option. If the details you have entered are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. In case you have forgotten your user ID or password, tap on this link that says Forgot User ID or Password. Then you want to enter your user ID over here on this box. Now tap on the Continue option. After that, you will have to enter the 15-digit card number, enter the 4-digit card ID, then tap on the Continue option. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to retrieve your user ID or reset your password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.